Hello, this is a demo of the Meterian extension for Visual Studio Code. We start with a sample project, in this case, poetry project. We see a poetry.lock in a pyproject.toml files. So we open Visual Studio against this project, and you'll see there is currently no problems detected in the UI, and a tile on the bottom right disappeared saying Meterian analysis has just started and detecting vulnerabilities in the status bar. And now you see a list of issues which have been detected by Meterian, for example, high stack AI 230 and PDoc 1440. So let's have a look at one of them. For example, the high stack AI. And so there is basic information about the vulnerability like CVE or scores, severity. CVE, obviously, in this case, we have a CVE. There might not be one if it's not assigned. If there's no CVE assigned to the vulnerability. The description of the vulnerability itself, and then information about possible safe versions to install that fix the specific vulnerability. In this case, so we're using the 230, and the Meterian is saying that 231 is safe to be used. So we're just going to update using the quick fix provided by Meterian. So on the selecting the dependency on the manifest file, you'll see a bubble, a blue bubble on the left-hand side. If you click here, you see Meterian remediation, install latest patch 231. So let's just go ahead and do that. And the version has been updated, and now Meterian analysis will just start again. And yeah, there you go. And you'll see there is only one package now, one vulnerable package, which is PDoc 1440. Same thing here, we got description, vulnerability, CV, safe versions. And also if we have a look at the poetry.lock and we select, you see you have the same pattern, but in this case it's selecting the whole section of the doc file. And here also you have the information, same information that we saw in the previous manifest file about the vulnerability. An analysis can also be started manually. So if you open the prompt of Visual Studio Code, you can just do analyze with Meterian, and an analysis will be run against the project. And that's basically it. I hope this demo was useful, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.